Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I kind of just want to hang out and talk with you all about everything that's been going on and my life with the channel over here on Twitch, and really just give you guys like a huge thank you. So just to kind of catch you guys up, one of the big things that happened recently, which I was super excited for and I have all of y'all to thank, is that we made the cover to ImagineFX. Definitely something that I wanted to do for a super long time, and it's crazy we're actually able to do it finally. Just a piece that we did here on the channel that we did a time lapse for and commentary. They got in contact about getting it on the cover, and honestly I say we because you guys are like such a major part of this piece and inspiring me to create this piece, and it's really kind of like heartwarming. So definitely I'll give a link down below on where you can check it out if you want to buy up a copy. Has a couple page kind of run through of it, kind of some little tips and tricks. But you guys have probably kind of seen a lot of that process on the previous video that we did for it. It also shares the DG main brush that you can get with the issue, but you guys can always get that brush down below since I use mostly that brush for the whole thing. So that was super crazy. That was awesome. I'm still kind of over the moon about it, and so I love being able to share that with you guys. Going forward. Another big thing is we have some major clients that we're doing work for right now, and I can't wait to share that work with you all. It's really like a bunch of seriously bucket list clients that I've been trying to get for years and years, and I guess when it rains it pours because they've all been coming in from all directions, and some of the top 3 clients that I've always wanted to work for, I'm doing work for all 3 of them right now, and I can't wait to show you guys the work that we're doing and some of the process down the road. And so I guess this episode I just really want to have a big thank you to everybody and kind of what you're doing for me, and you guys are inspiring me so much, and I'm trying to give as much back to everybody here. All these pieces and all the clients that I'm getting and the cover and all this stuff would not have happened at all if you guys didn't support me and follow me on YouTube and Twitch and Instagram and all that really keep me inspired and to keep working. I really owe you all so much. I just can't wait to show everything going forward. So like I said, I'm probably gonna keep this video pretty short. We still have the new setup here. We definitely have a lot of light coming in from the back here. I'm trying to balance it out so I'm not too blown out right now. We're just so excited this morning about everything. I just wanted to kind of share it with you all. We have a new Path of Exile league coming out tomorrow, so I'm hoping to take a little bit of downtime in the next week and a half. We've been doing so much art and working so hard. Sometimes it's good to give yourself a little break. It's hard to give yourself breaks without feeling guilty about it most of the time, because there's always more art to be done and more to grow. But I think little breaks are good, so I will try to give myself a little break. We'll see what happens. But I really can't wait to share the next steps with everybody. We're close to 100K on the channel. Twitch has been crazy lately, and I owe you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for support, as always. I'll see you in the next one.